Hey, welcome. In the next lecture, vendors are going to be able to select their country, state, and city. And in order to easily achieve this, we are going to be using a package. Now, what you have to do is to head up to your browser and head up to pub.dev. And over here, we can search for country and state pick, and we need the country, state, city picker. And for sure, you can still go for the country state only or the country only, but we want vendors to be able to select their country, state, and city. So we are going to be going for the country, state, city picker. Click on this and you can see how it works. You can see how it works. Sounds good. And now we have to copy this code and head back to VS Code and scroll down then to postback.yaml file. And we then have to paste this right, okay, right over here. Okay. Now use Ctrl and S to save and in order to get this recent added package. It's gonna take some time and you have to wait. And after it finishes, it is recommended you stop your app and rerun or close your editor and rerun. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for this and then after I'm gonna stop my app or probably I'm just gonna close and reopen. Okay guys, see you in the next lecture.